Hey everyone, this is CJ over here at Full Throttle Powersports, located in Swanzey, New Hampshire. Today we're going to go over one of our pre-owned motorcycles, this 2025 Kawasaki Ninja 500. This bike features Kawasaki's Racing Team graphics and an aggressive sport styling that stands out on the street. The KRT Edition brings race-inspired looks to a lightweight, approachable platform. Under the fairings, you get a 451cc parallel twin engine that delivers smooth power and strong torque. It's perfect for newer riders who want confidence and control, and still exciting for experienced riders looking for a nimble machine. The SE ABS model includes a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, ABS braking for added safety, and Kawasaki's proximity-based keyless start system. On top of this, you get LED lighting and a comfortable riding position for daily use or weekend rides. Whether you're upgrading from a smaller bike or just getting started, the Ninja 500 KRT Edition offers a great balance of style, performance, and technology. It's a modern sport bike with classic Kawasaki DNA. Come see it in person at Full Throttle Powersports or call 603-357-7999.